Hello everyone, today we will see how to download a Tinkercad code or Tinkercad program in our PC or laptop, and then how to upload that program into actual Arduino software. Okay, and later we will upload that program into a Arduino Uno board. Okay, so for that we will take Arduino Uno first, then we will take a LED and we will join the LED like this. The positive terminal will attach to 13 and negative will attach to ground. Okay, so in Tinkercad, when you take Arduino Uno, you will get this program automatically. So we will use this program as our example. So this button is for downloading the program, okay, or you can say converting this block program into a text form, okay, like this. So this download button will download this program in the form of text. So you can also copy this program from here, or you can download it from this button. Okay, but before downloading, first you should change the name of the program. Okay, like I have changed name of my program as LED Blink 1, okay, so that I can remember. So when you download it, the name of your downloaded file will be same as the name of your project. Okay, so let's close it. Now let's open the file in download folder. Here we have our downloaded file, but you can't open this file directly, so you have to make a folder for it. Okay, so the name of the folder should always be same as your Arduino file. Like I am writing LED underscore Blink 1. Okay, every letter should be same, and then transfer your Arduino file into the folder. Okay, now this file can be opened in my PC, but maybe in your PC, if you don't have this Arduino software, then you can't open this. Okay, so first you have to download this Arduino IDE software. So on Google Chrome, write download Arduino IDE software, and the first website you will see will be arduino.cc. So click on this, and scroll down. You will see these options here. If you have Windows operating system, you can click here. If you have Mac operating system, then you can click here. If you have Linux operating system, then you can click here. So I already have this program, so I'm not downloading it right now, but you can download it simply and then you can install it. Okay, installing is simple. Just click next, and then it will get installed. After that, you can double click on this program which we have downloaded. Other way is, as I said earlier, you can right click it and then copy it, and then manually open Arduino IDE from here and then paste the program. Our downloaded file is now opened. Okay, and this is converted the block program into this text format. Now we have our program. Now we just have to upload our program. To upload program, first go to tool and check whether your Arduino is connected or not. Okay, so now right now it is showing that your Arduino is not connected to PC or laptop. Okay, so that's why it is not showing any port with the name Arduino. Okay, so for that I'm connecting my Arduino, and then when I go to tools and port, you can see with COM24 I got Arduino Uno name with it. So you can select it like this. Second thing is that you can check whether your Arduino whether your board is selected as Arduino Uno or not. Now you can upload the program from this button. First it will check the program like this. After a few seconds it will start uploading it automatically. Okay, so now it is done uploading. Uploading is done. So you can now unplug your Arduino from your computer or PC. Now your program is moved inside your Arduino board. You can operate Arduino with a power source like a battery or a adapter. Let me show you how it looks after uploading.